Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Nvidia filters not working. Let's fix it guys. Just need to open up Chrome and search Nvidia profile inspector and press enter. Select the first link, scroll down and select the zip file and download it. After getting downloaded and select this folder icon, double click on the file, double click on the Nvidia profile inspector and select extract all option and select extract. And now double click on the Nvidia profile inspector, select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. In this left under 5 common you can able to see and cell enabled. You just need to click on the drop down and set this to enabled. And now click on apply changes option and just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.